Alright, what's up, guys? I got the CRF 80F here. I know it's dirty. I just got to clean the chain out because, I don't know. Well, it's for sale for $1,200. And, of course, I'm going to clean it up. But, got these grips. They're called Pro Grips. And got this Pro Taper gas line right here. And pretty sure y'all want me to start it up, so. One second, dude. Nigga, hang on. This sounds pretty good at an idle. I got the FMF muffler on it, and see what it sounds like when I rev it up.